The secret behind natural spine healing: most people think spine health is only about bones, posture, and exercises. But there's something much deeper that often gets overlooked: tissue metabolism. It's the way our cells use and exchange energy, and it could be the hidden key to healing your spine naturally. In osteopathy, the body is seen as one connected system. When circulation is blocked, oxygen and nutrients can't reach the tissues, and waste builds up. That slows down healing. Osteopathic treatments aim to restore fluid flow, blood, lymph, and other body fluids, so cells get what they need to regenerate. There's even a branch called visceral osteopathy, where gentle techniques on the organs help with digestion, hormones, and metabolism. This improves the body's energy production right at the mitochondrial level. Part 2, the metabolic model. Osteopaths often talk about the metabolic energetic model. The idea is simple. If posture, breathing, and fluid movement are efficient, the body wastes less energy on compensation. That saved energy goes directly into healing, adaptation, and keeping your immune system strong. Part 3, chiropractic. Chiropractic care also ties into metabolism. When the spine is misaligned, it's not just a mechanical problem. It affects nerves, muscles, and even the local chemistry of the tissues. Adjustments improve joint motion, reset neural signaling, reduce muscle tension, and even support biochemical repair. This is called the bio-neuro-mechanical effect. Bio: healthier tissue metabolism. Neuro: better nerve function. Mechanical: proper spine movement. Conclusion: so, osteopathy and chiropractic aren't just about fixing bones. They restore balance to the entire system: structure, nerves, fluids, and metabolism. And when tissue metabolism is optimized, the body has the energy it needs to truly heal.